Hi everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Rhino 3D. In today's tutorial, we're going to model this stunning parametric style wall clock entirely in Rhino 3D. So let's get started. First, draw 3 circles with radius of 10, 20, and 30. Next, draw 2 polylines to connect the circles and define the main shape of the clock. Now, use the Rebuild Curve command to reconstruct these curves with a specified degree and number of control points. This gives us better control over the shape. Adjust the control points to refine the curves and create the desired form. Once the curves are ready, use Sweep 2 rails to create the main surface. This command fits a surface through a series of profile curves while using 2 curves as the surface rails. Repeat the Sweep 2 rails command to create the second part of the form. Next, extrude the bottom sections to give the design some thickness. Join all the parts together. Then use the Cap command to close the planar openings and turn the object into a solid. Now, let's create the bottom ribs of the clock. Use the Offset Curve command to create the rib profiles. Then extrude them with the solid option set to Yes. Next, use Boolean union to combine the rib geometry into a single object. Now draw a polyline to create one of the clock's repeated elements. Extrude it, then use Array Polar to create 90 copies around the center. Use Select Last to quickly select the newly created elements, then group them together. Next, use the Intersect command to create curves at the intersections between the objects. Hide the unnecessary geometry for now so we can work more easily on the main clock structure. Use Planar Surface to create surfaces from the resulting curves. Select the newly created surfaces and use Offset Surface. Set the Both Sides option to Yes to create thickness on both sides. Now, use extrude to create the main base of the clock. Before making the final cut, copy the base geometry to the clipboard using Ctrl-C. Then use Boolean difference to create the openings for the ribs in the clock base. Finally, paste the original geometry back using Ctrl-V. And there we have it, a complete wall clock modeled directly in Rhino 3D. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found the workflow useful. If you did, don't forget to like the video, share it, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you'd like to see me model next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.